Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we are in Grafton, Ohio. We are at JTS, or Jim's Trailer Sales. We're going to look at a 2024. This is a Jayco Eagle. This is a tiny fifth wheel. This is the 25 RUC. So let's look. So as always, we start up here in the front, and you have a nice pass-through storage, generous space here. We've seen bigger, but we've actually seen much smaller too. Right next to this is your 30-pound propane tank. There's one on the other side, which we'll show you. Before we go any further, this is a 4-point electric leveling system, auto level, 4-point Lifford electric leveling system. As you look up, there's an awning that covers about 2/3 of the side, covers from the back of the RV all the way till about where I'm standing. I love the longer handle, Lisa.
I do too.
We're seeing that a lot more these days.
Yeah.
Okay. As we move around to the back, there's a little extra hidden storage back here, Lisa. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Right? So if you
Yeah.
need some extra storage, there's a place for it out here. You have a hitch if you want to put on an accessory rack, a ladder pre-mounted to get up to the roof, and it's pre-wired for a backup camera as well. As we come over to the side here, Goodyear tires, which is great. Moving forward a little bit further, your sewer connection point is right here. It's just at the edge of the slide, so it's easily reachable. Obviously, your power connection is here. Here is your water bay as well as your poles for the sewer system, which is great. I love that, so you don't have to get underneath there.
Right.
And here is your other propane tank, right, your 30-pounder. Let's not forget the controller for leveling up is right here, which is not a bad spot for it because, as you can see, I'm looking right here at the truck so we can see the whole connection point. All right, let's take a look at the weights, Lisa. All right, so this has a gross vehicle weight of 9,500 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 1,174 pounds. Pretty good. So let's go around to the front. You got your Rhino box, pin box, right? And then in here is sort of your utility area. If you want to mount a generator, this is where it would go. Your batteries go in here, and then you have an extra storage compartment up top. So let's go inside. Really a cute little fifth wheel. If you're looking to full-time, maybe your first fifth wheel, a nice couple's fifth wheel, you don't want it to break the bank and you don't want to buy a huge truck, this might be the one for you. As you come in the door, here is this huge banquette, Lisa.
Look at that. Very nice.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can sit at opposite ends of the table like you're at home at a big table, right?
Yeah.
Could you please pass the salt? But you also have windows that wrap all the way around the back too, so you get lots of light.
You do, and there's plenty of space for others to join you as well.
Yep. And this lifts up. There's storage underneath. This was the storage area from the back.
Gotcha.
Right? So it's underneath the bank.
Very nice.
All right, as you can see, there are blackout shades. There's some cabinetry above for storing some things. And this is a full pass-through storage.
Oh, nice.
So, plenty of stuff up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, over here, here is your, they're theater chairs. There's 3 of them. They're recliners.
Oh, nice.
This one reclines. The middle reclines.
Ah, look at that.
This one reclines too. Feel like a hot potato. Right? Now, if this is the first time you're joining our channel, note I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, if it's the first time, you know what to do, right? Thumbs up, smash the like button, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It costs you nothing, and it does help out the channel, and we appreciate it. I brought that up now because you notice, well, I got a height issue here, okay? But look, when you're going to sit down, you start the bending process. So this would never be a problem for me. But we do like to point that out, you know, for all the tall people in the world that are watching, all right? Tall Man Clan. So directly across from me, Lisa, is not just the kitchen, but it's also the entertainment area. You see there's a TV up here?
I do.
Right, you got a sound bar down below, some nice countertop and cabinets beneath, which will normally cover the kitchen, but since I'm here, we'll go ahead and show you.
Those are huge drawers.
They are huge drawers.
Yeah, usually they're very, very skinny, and those are nice full-size.
Absolutely. So then there's the rest of the kitchen, Lisa.
Yeah.
Right, so you've got some nice cabinetry up top.
Isn't that nice? And look how deep that storage is.
Yeah,
that goes all the way back, but look at this.
It does. It goes all the way back.
It goes way past my elbow.
Yeah, you're going to need a step stool to get up. I'm going to need a step stool to get to this one.
To the very back, yeah.
Like this I'm standing. I can't get back there. All right.
And then you still have lots more cabinetry. Look at all of this.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that nice?
I love that.
Yeah.
I mean, just so you guys give reference, let me back up so you can see. I mean, it goes all the way to the ceiling, guys.
It does, yeah.
It's full height cabinetry, which is awesome.
Yeah. So we have a microwave. We've got a 3-burner stove and an oven. We've got our double basin sink. Look at that with a tall faucet. Isn't that nice? Thank you. 50/50. We've got a little space here for
Sponges and
anything you
soaps
want
and
to put
things, I
in
guess.
there. And then we've got lots of drawers here. Look at that. So plenty of storage in this kitchen for
I
sure.
like that.
Yeah.
Back there in the corner, there's power up here, and there's power up here, so there's plenty of power outlets for plugging in the electrical.
And there's also a light over the
Nice.
sink.
Speaking of lights, we have lights on today.
We do. Isn't that awesome? And we've got
spoiled.
lights there as well. And I love having this as additional countertop
Yeah.
space if you need it. Yeah.
Thank you, JTS, for the lights.
Yes.
And then over here, let's not forget our refrigerator's over here.
I can't believe I forgot.
So this is 12 volt. Right, nice 12 volt. And then maybe a food pantry.
Yeah.
I think I would use this as a food
I
pantry.
think I would as well.
All right, we got to do it. We're going to give it the test. Okay, those are very thin. However, since it's so narrow, there's wood here, right? And then there's wood over there. These are never going to bow, but we like to do that anyway. They are thin, but since, again, they're so narrow, you'll be good to go. All right, so let's go up here, get into the front. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for
Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, again, as I mentioned, remember I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference. At my height, this is great, guys. There's no problems. I'm on a porcelain foot flush toilet. There's plenty of room up here for leg in width too. If you're a big guy, this is going to be very, very comfortable. Or a big girl, right? There's lots of tall girls out there too. Right, so directly across from me is your sort of sink area. Maybe I should grab this from you, Lisa. Sorry for the shaky, guys. All right, so you've got a nice vanity here. All right, some storage down beneath. Right, nice countertop, right, with some space left and right for putting out those lotions and potions and things. And as you can see, hey everybody, there's the mirror, and behind it's your medicine chest. Right. Over here, there is some additional cubbies for storing things, as well as this really large cabinet in here. Okay, what if that doubles as like maybe a stackable?
That's what I was
I don't
wondering.
know. That is a door into the bedroom. We'll look at this a little bit closer from the bedroom. But if you're not using it, if it's not washer and dryer prepped, yeah, you have some more storage.
Yeah.
So let's climb into the shower.
All
By the
right.
way, it is ducted heating throughout, in-floor ducted heating. All right, so my head's up in the bubble.
I'm not sure I can even see you over the top of the bar.
Yeah, see, I'll have to go underneath.
Yeah.
The back up just a little bit, Lisa. This glass door goes, I mean, I can only get my finger through there. So I like that in the sense that no water would ever splash over. And if you like to take those nice kind of hot showers, you might get almost like a steam bath effect in here. I'm just saying. Anyway, from my height, because the skylight, again, I call it the bubble, goes the whole length of the shower, I have no restrictions at all being in this particular shower. From a height standpoint, there's about 4 inches above my head, so you could be 6'8" and be comfortable in here.
Now, I want to ask you about in the bathroom, because the ceiling height in here is a little bit
It is a little bit tight. Right? I mean, I'm touching.
okay.
Okay, so and I got a hat on, so yeah, but I'm not touching, or I am touching, I should say. If you're taller than 6'4", you're going to have to scooch down when you're in this part of the bathroom. Okay, especially like over here, this sticks down a little bit, the knob. See, I'm always scooched down a little bit when I'm in the bathroom, just because I feel that height restriction above me, so it has never bothered me. Okay.
Well, I don't think that fan would bother you anyway, because it's directly over the toilet, so you wouldn't be standing.
Yeah, I don't think I'm ever going to be standing right here. So I'd be standing here, I'd be standing here, and then I'd go in the shower.
Right.
So yeah, if you're my height and you like this 25-footer, I mean, it's a tiny fifth wheel, guys. The 25 RUC, but I believe it's only 25 feet. Just either come down here. Again, we're in Grafton, Ohio, just outside of Cleveland. Give them a call, or find your local dealer and come take a look. It's a neat little fifth wheel, guys.
It is. I like it.
All right, and then up in the front, You've got a nice bedroom. You know what I don't have? I don't have my tape measure.
No.
Hang on a minute. Come on in here, Lisa.
All right.
All right. But I don't know. Do a jig. I'll be right back.
Do a jig, he says. Have you seen me dance? I don't dance.
1 hour later.
It's a long run to the store to buy a tape measure. Whew. Okay. So, the mattress isn't horribly uncomfortable. I believe it's some kind of memory foam. And we are 60. I really think it's 60 by 78. But you could get 60 by 80 in here.
Yeah.
So you could get a residential queen.
Nice.
All right, so we lift it up to some storage underneath.
Nice.
Generous. There's a nice little cubby up here in the front. All right. Over here, left and right, you have power and sort of a nightstand. So if you have a CPAP, plenty of space to put that. There's some cabinetry up above on both sides. Shelf there. And then I think there's a shelf on the other side too, Lisa.
You mean a hanging bar? Oh, no,
Nope.
it is a shelf. Oh, okay.
Yep. Remember when we were in the bathroom, the hanging bar is right here. Mm-hmm. So I'm pretty sure this is not washer dryer prepped, even though it looks like it might be for a combo. I just don't, I don't see any mechanicals for it, okay? 2 big drawers. Plus, if you did use it for a washer dryer, that is the only place for you to hang clothes. Right there's a spot for the TV. And you also have a couple of octopus hangers right there.
Nice.
Yeah. So it's a cute little fifth wheel, Lisa.
Yeah, I like it.
All right. So 25 RUC. Oh, this is a 2024. Brand new model. They just got this a few days ago. Back when we came in here, they were cleaning. So I guess they knew we were coming. Right?
They must have.
Tall Man Clan, God bless you guys. Again, if you're just joining us, subscribe, become part of the channel. We do appreciate each and every one of you. And until we see you all again on the road, be safe.